Once again po, we are from Rainbow Magic Entertainment Production and my name is Kuya Ariel Alveros, aka Alaming Katibian. So once again po, this is gonna be a one-way run show. Lagi ko sinasabi, isang beses lang daraan sa buhay ng ating birthday celebrant yung 7 taon. Tama. At hindi po kami yung bida di party. And I do hope na sana pag-uwi nyo, masayang-masaya kayo. At hindi lang yun, no? We create memories in this afternoon, no? Not just for the birthday celebrant, but at the same time for the guests. So, in this afternoon, give it up for Mami Judy Ann! We have your honor to join us. Yeah! And of course, the next person I will call on, this is the reality strongman, the man of steel. Pumapalik at pumapasa ng pangangailangan sa ngalan ng matamis na pag-ibig. So ladies and gentlemen, ang lalaking taga sa panahon, mga kaibigan, may halik na lumalatay. Palakpakan po natin ang kaisa-isang nagpatibok sa puso ni Mami Judy Ann. Give it up for Daddy Raymond! Palakpakan po natin si Daddy. Today, nagsa-celebrate po tayo at nagsa-celebrate sila, but they're not just only 3. No? So, I want to acknowledge the presence of one. Ayan. Okay, so isa po sa mga kasama nila sa buhay. Palakpakan po natin. Buntis si Mami. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Pwede nyo ilabas yung mga po nyo. Ladies and gentlemen, without no further ado, it is our distinguished honor and we are so proud to introduce to you for the very first time the main reason why we gathered here. So sama-sama po nating palakpakan ng may kasamang sigawan, none other than ang nag-isang star of the show. Guys, this is the moment that we have been waiting for. Give it up for Zoe Isabel de Leon.